at Forest Creek Condominiums, and this place is an absolutely fantastic home near Forest Creek Golf Course. In fact, right through there it is, that green is the 18th green for the golf course. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2.5 full baths actually. It's at the townhouse style, 2-car garage. Okay, great wood floors. As you walk in, very quiet. Clean and comfy. Great granite. I give everybody a walk around. I like how they've got the TV right there. Also like how they have this outdoor entertainment area, which is right by the pool. The pool is right up there, guys. Let's do the gate. Okay, great little area. Cute place. Okay, so it comes in. We have a bathroom downstairs, bathroom, half bath. Let's get the kitchen here. Okay. Let's walk on up. Okay. Okay, so bedroom 1, bedroom 2. Okay, they're using this as an office. Bedroom number 2. Okay, bathroom. Cute bathroom. Nice and clean. Little tub there. Okay, and then it kind of walks through to the master. Washer dryer connections right here. Walks through to the master. Great little place. Okay, and then here's the nice little ledge. Very, very cute. Lots of space in that closet. Perfect. Okay. So welcome home to Forest Creek, unit number 57.